Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best lard for tamales is probably one of the most crucial ingredients for achieving that authentic, melt-in-your-mouth texture and rich flavor that makes tamales a beloved culinary tradition, and choosing the right kind can elevate your homemade tamales from good to absolutely unforgettable, ensuring every bite is a delightful experience that honors generations of flavor. Number 5. Amazing Chiles and Spices Corn Husks for Tamales. Unlock the true taste of tradition with our premium dried corn husks. They are naturally sourced and perfectly prepared for your authentic tamale creations. Experience the difference that quality makes. These wrappers are carefully selected and dried to ensure the best flavor and texture for your tamales. You'll receive a full pound of these essential ingredients, providing plenty for all your tamale making needs. Enough to share with family and friends. These are the ideal hojas para tamal you've been searching for. They hold their shape beautifully, making the wrapping process simple and enjoyable. Elevate your culinary experience with tamales that are bursting with authentic flavor. Our corn husks are the secret to delicious, memorable meals. Trust in the quality from Amazing Chiles and Spices. We are dedicated to bringing you the finest ingredients for your kitchen. What we like. If you're aiming for that truly authentic tamale experience, these natural corn husks are your go-to. They provide the perfect wrapper for a rich, traditional flavor. Choose these if you prioritize genuine taste and a classic preparation method for your tamales. What people say. Excited, my money is finally spent on high-quality husks for delicious tamales to enjoy and to gift. They look and smell so fresh. The husks were a good size and I would say there was 50 of them. I made 38 tamales and had enough leaves to cover them during steaming as well. The husks were a little pliable, not dry, almost brittle, like those I find at the supermarket. They only needed a 10-minute soak in hot water and they were ready to wrap some beautiful tamales. Number 4. South Chicago Packing Traditional Lard Shortening. Experience the rich, authentic taste of tradition in your baking. Our lard shortening is perfect for creating flaky crusts and tender baked goods. Unlock a world of flavor in your cooking. This versatile fat adds a delicious depth to everything from fried chicken to savory dishes. With a generous 42-ounce container, you'll have plenty on hand for all your culinary creations. It's the perfect size for busy kitchens. Elevate your specialty baking with a premium shortening. It's designed to deliver exceptional results, making your recipes stand out. Crafted from pure lard, this shortening offers a distinct flavor and texture that artificial alternatives can't match. Enjoy the pure goodness in every bite. Trust in the quality of South Chicago Packing. For generations, we've provided essential ingredients for delicious home cooking and baking. What we like. For those who love traditional baking and cooking, this offers a classic shortening experience. Its versatility makes it great for a wide range of dishes. Consider this if you're looking for a reliable, all-purpose fat for both sweet and savory recipes. What people say. Great quality lard with real old-school flavor. I've used it for baking and frying, and the results are noticeably better than vegetable shortening, flakier crusts and crisp food without a greasy taste. This is high-quality lard with none of the preservatives that you find in supermarket lard. This made for a very flaky and delicious pie crust at Christmas. We have completely thrown away Crisco and only use this now. Taste great. Biscuits are always light and fluffy. Love using a more natural product. Number 3. Goya Manteca Refined Lard. Stock up on this kitchen essential. It's great for cooking hearty meals or adding an authentic taste to your recipes, perfect for traditional and modern dishes. With a long shelf life and no need for refrigeration, it's ready when you are. Its well-sealed packaging ensures freshness for all your cooking needs. It's perfect for frying, baking flaky pastries, and making crispy, golden roasted vegetables. It ensures every dish is packed with flavor and a deliciously tender texture. Use it for traditional dishes like tamales, empanadas, and pastries. It's also great for adding richness to stews and more. This is a traditional pig fat shortening, allowing you to cook classic recipes with quality and care. If it's Goya, it has to be good. What we like. This refined lard is a kitchen essential, perfect for adding authentic taste to both traditional and modern recipes. It boasts a long shelf life and requires no refrigeration, making it incredibly convenient. You should choose this if you need a dependable, versatile cooking fat that's always ready when you are. What people say. Smooth, snow white and great flavor. No aftertaste. Food fries crisper than vegetable oil. It makes the best crispy fried anything. I no longer use regular oil for any of my fried foods. Number 2. Fully rendered pork lard, all-purpose. Discover the versatile goodness of our fully rendered pork lard. It's ready to use and perfect for all your culinary needs. Beyond tradition, this ingredient offers healthy fats and essential vitamins. Enjoy its benefits in moderation as part of a balanced diet. With a high smoke point, it's ideal for all your high-heat cooking. Its mild flavor will enhance your favorite dishes beautifully. After your nightly routine, apply a small amount to your face and neck. Massage it in well, and in the morning, gently wipe it away with a warm cloth. While some see immediate results, true radiance takes time. Be patient with this natural treatment, the results will be worth it. Keep it at room temperature for everyday use. For longer storage, simply refrigerate it to maintain its freshness. What we like. This fully rendered pork lard is ready to eat and boasts a high smoke point, making it excellent for high-heat cooking. It's also a good source of healthy fats and fits well into keto and paleo diets. If you're following specific dietary plans or need a fat that can handle high temperatures, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Perfectly clean without any odor or bad taste. Fried chicken was perfect and reused this fat later. I bought this product the first time and was awfully disappointed with the quality and flavor was rancid, smelled very bad. I didn't report it because I thought maybe it was my taste buds, but then saw the reviews here and I'm not the only one with the same issue. So I bought it again last week and now I'm impressed with the taste, quality and flavor. I can say now that the first time was a quality control issue and now everything changed. I'm very happy with the product. Good quality. Perfect for cooking and even a little treat on top of dry dog food for the pups. Number 1. Fatworks Certified Organic Pork Lard. Discover the purity of our certified organic pork lard. It's crafted from the finest ingredients, ensuring a wholesome addition to your kitchen. Rest assured, our product is non-GMO and USDA 100% organic. We prioritize your health and the quality of our ingredients. This versatile fat is ideal for various lifestyles, including keto, paleo, and Whole30. Elevate your everyday cooking and frying with its exceptional flavor. Enjoy the natural goodness of lard without any preservatives. It's also gluten and dairy-free, making it suitable for many dietary needs. Our pigs are organically certified, free-range, and raised without antibiotics or added hormones. Each batch is carefully crafted in small kettles for superior flavor. We are the defenders of fat, committed to quality and your satisfaction. Contact us with any issues. We stand behind our products. What we like. This certified organic and non-GMO lard is crafted with quality and purity in mind, using only USDA organic certified pigs. It's free from preservatives and ideal for those following keto, paleo, Whole30, and other specific diets. Opt for this if you prioritize organic ingredients and high quality, ethically sourced fat for your cooking. What people say. So smooth and the taste is outstanding. This is so much better than the hydrogenated stuff you get at the grocery store. I love to make biscuits with it especially. Best biscuits you ever tasted. Light and fluffy, melt in your mouth. No porky flavor either. Makes an awesome flaky pie crust too. From the look and taste certainly seems natural with no additives. Trying to stay away from seed oils, and this stuff makes everything taste great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.